Welcome back to the Career Mosaic, where we celebrate unconventional paths and the courage to chase passion over convention. I'm your host, Mandeep Singh Bucher, founder of Mindscan Education. In this episode, we continue challenging the notion that students must study exactly what they'll do professionally. Today, we are joined by Vishal Singh Bhati, founding member of Adyot Band, a powerhouse singer performing across Asia, YouTuber with 5.5 million views, and live performer who's graced 2000 plus events across India and the world. His career changing moment came years ago when his PepsiCo boss heard him sing at an office event and said, Vishal, you're the right person at the wrong place. That one sentence gave him the push to choose purpose over comfort. More recently, Vishal created a jingle for actress Sonali Bindre that exploded to 6 million views in just 5 days. Vishal's journey shows students that passion can trump prescribed paths, and one bold conversation can change everything. We'll explore how he made this leap, the risks he took, and his advice for young dreamers feeling trapped by safe choices. Let's dive into Vishal's story of melody, courage, and living his truth. Welcome, Vishal. We like to talk about opportunities, about avenues that young students can think about as they go about planning their higher education and career. So when I start with you, I read about the fact that you were working with Pepsi, and आपने बताया that at a point of time your boss said, Vishal, you're the right person at the wrong place.
Yes.
And how that changed everything for you. So थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए, what happened and what risks did you take after that?
Thank you so much, Mandeep sir, for having me today. So at PepsiCo, I was handling sales and operations and distribution, obviously, and it was a safe career for me. I come from a commerce background, very, very practical, safe, but in my mind, there was one voice that was knocking again and again, you're not built for this. So I come from a city of sand dunes called Bikaner, Rajasthan. So वहाँ पे primary education मैंने ली. I did my BBAs, MBA, and थोड़ी musical training ली थी मैंने वहाँ पे. But from coming from a small hometown, so एक था कि career बनाना है हमें. So career तो job में ही बनता है.
Correct.
जो लोग छोटे hometown से आते हैं. So I was working with PepsiCo, and one fine day, my manager, marketing head, saw some of the reels, me singing somewhere. So he told me that one line changed my whole life. Vishal, you are the right person at the wrong place. And that hit me hard. Obviously, coming from the marketing head itself,
Correct.
that I'm the right person at the wrong place. So I chose to take a different path. So that was the beginning of a new career. I found myself that day because it was a safe corporate job, 9 to 5 job, safe hands. So every parents like their children to be in safe place, है ना? But unconventionally, I chose the unconventional path, which was singing career.
Right.
So one fine day, I told my marketing head, sir, मैं singer बनना चाहता हूँ. So he told me, Vishal, आप जो लाइफ में करना चाहते हो ना वो करो, बट शिद्दत से करना. और जिस दिन आपको लगे कि आप वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, हमारे दरवाजे आपके लिए हमेशा खुले रहेंगे.
Lovely.
So that backup, that belief and that support system made me what I'm today.
Awesome. So you've touched upon 2 or 3 important things. So as career counselors, Vishal, we speak about this a lot. One, having a mentor. So like you're saying, this manager saw something.
Yeah.
And it was a very supportive and positive चीज जो उन्होंने आपसे कही. So that's one.
That's
Second, he gave you the confidence. कि यार
confidence as well.
भगवान ना करे, doesn't work out, we are always there.
We are always there, yes.
Very, very great and very, large-hearted of him to have given you that confidence.
And let me tell you, Mandeep sir, वो जितने भी employees और co-workers थे या मेरे साथ जो जितने भी managers काम कर रहे थे, वो आज भी मुझे देखते हैं. That marketing head see my reels and really appreciate, and God bless
Lovely.
him and the way he supported me.
Right.
And that gave me the confidence to change my path.
So you mentioned about family. So how did your family react जब आपने कहा जी मैं एक corporate job, safe job छोड़ के I want to get into something which people perceive it as unorganized,
Unorganized,
risky
very
hai.
risky. Yes.
So what was your family's reaction?
So obviously it was very risky at that point of time, and quitting a job is like quitting the stability of your life.
Correct.
And my father and mother was like, ठीक है सिंगिंग पैशन है बट क्या इसमें करियर है?
हाँ.
तो मुझे याद है कि मैंने अपने डैड से एक ही लाइन बोली थी, पापा आज अगर करियर का तो मुझे नहीं पता बट आज रिस्क नहीं लिया तो कल रिग्रेट ज़रूर है. तो उन्होंने वो चमक मेरी आंखों में देखी कि इसको जो करना है वो करके ही रहेगा, ये अब ये पीछे नहीं हटेगा.
Right.
So that day changed the whole scenario. I started very humble, without any backup plan although, but एक चीज़ या मैं बोलूँगा दो चीज़ मेरे साथ ज़रूर थी. एक मेरा गिटार और एक मेरा जुनून जो मुझे आज तक यहाँ तक लेके आया.
And at this point, I definitely want to highlight one thing to everyone who's hearing. What Vishal has brought out is the fact कि self-belief होना कितना ज़रूरी है. You may feel that there is a certain path that leads you somewhere. Some may be traditional, some may not be traditional. But irrespective, खुद में वो belief होना.
Belief system.
And I think you've really brought that out.
Yes.
Amazing. So एक चीज़ बताइए, from corporate to founding your band Adyot.
Yes.
And you've performed across the country, across Asia,
Across
internationally
Asia,
also
yes,
you've done.
internationally as well.
I'm sure there must have been some planning to it. It couldn't just have been कि जी कल सुबह देखेंगे क्या होगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
And especially when it comes to these non-traditional careers, as counselors, when we interact with parents and children, ना, they always feel कि यार structured नहीं है. So I want you to take a minute or two and help the listeners understand कि ये creative field में भी planning, structure का कितना रोल है.
बिल्कुल. So first thing, आप कुछ भी सीखते हो या कहीं पे काम करते हो, it teaches you something.
Right.
So Pepsi told me structure. Pepsi told me communication, client handling, structure, working with team.
Right.
So that learning is always there.
Okay.
So आप अपने करियर में किसी भी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे हो, आपको उस चीज़ से सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I learned across the corporate career, and वो चीज़ मैं अपने करियर में, म्यूजिकल करियर में भी अप्लाई करता हूँ.
Right.
So as you told कि हम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में परफॉर्म करते हैं, so there is always a risk of performing. हर कंट्री की ऑडियंस अलग होती है.
Correct.
Some people demand high energy performance from you, but some people connect with some soulful melodies.
Correct.
So that preparation is very necessary whenever you perform.
Yeah.
So मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ स्टेज पे चढ़ने से पहले अपनी ऑडियंस को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
True.
कॉर्पोरेट में भी यही है.
You have to know your client, you have to do your research.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, उनको रिसर्च करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्लाइंट की डिमांड्स को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
Until and unless आप अपने क्लाइंट को नहीं समझेंगे तो आप वो सर्विसेज उनको दे ही नहीं पाएंगे, और दे भी रहे हैं तो उस लेवल पे फुलफिल नहीं
हो पाई. So basics are the same. आप चाहे एक सो कॉल्ड सेफ ट्रेडिशनल करियर में हैं या आप न्यू एज करियर में हैं या एक क्रिएटिव फील्ड में हैं, बेसिक्स डोंट चेंज.
बेसिक्स डोंट चेंज. यू हैव टू कीप लर्निंग, कीप इम्प्रूविंग, and keep motivating the fact that keep motivating others as well, whatever you are doing in your career.
बिल्कुल.
So this might change someone's life altogether.
Absolutely, absolutely. And speaking of that, I know recently one of the recognitions that has come away, there was a jingle in which Sonali Bendre.
Yes.
That was for
her team, Chennai Smasher.
Okay.
So there was a Chennai Tennis Premier League was going on.
Okay.
And opportunities knock. And opportunity knocks when you are ready.
Correct. Absolutely.
So मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि यूनिवर्स आपको देख रहा है, आपको सुन रहा है. When you are thriving and resonating at a high energy, तो यूनिवर्स आपको देख रहा है कि is he prepared or not.
Correct.
To take that opportunity. So we are making lots of jingle for corporates, and one of the jingle came across their team on Instagram.
Okay.
Through some algorithm. So their team approached me for making a jingle. I wasn't aware that this is for Sonali Bendre ma'am, but that came out really well. They wanted some high energy stuff from us.
Lovely.
So Vetri Namakke Chennai Smashers. आए हैं हम टेनिस को जीतने. Something was like.
Wow.
It was like that.
And you got what? More than a couple of million views?
And now it has touched 6 million views in 5 days. So those 5 days was surreal, but the hard work, the groundwork to make that happen was 10 years of practice,
Wow.
10 years of music, 10 years of making jingles for corporates and producing music for corporates. So उसके पीछे जो मेहनत है ना वो बहुत बड़ी है actually.
इस पे विशाल, I want to take one thing was we see youngsters get very influenced by social media. उनको लगता है, you know, when they see someone who performs or who does something on social media, they feel कि यार ये इतना आसानी से हो रहा है. So I want you to take some time and talk of the team behind it. Right? Yes, you are the public face, you are the voice, you are the singer.
Yes.
But there is a team behind you, editing, sound, live. Just talk about that. And the perspective I want to just share with students is that there are so many other careers also that they may be passionate about music, but मेरे जैसे अगर उनकी आवाज इतनी बढ़िया है तो maybe they can't sing, but they can be associated with this industry. So थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए.
So first of all, studies बहुत important है, डिग्री बहुत important है, but एक होता है डिग्री और एक होता है आपकी डेस्टिनी.
Right.
You don't have to study what you want to become. So मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि आप अपनी स्टडीज पे पूरा फोकस करें, बट बिल्ड समथिंग पैरेलल.
राइट. ओके.
उसको छोड़े बिना, मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया. मुझे पता था कि मेरे अंदर एक आर्टिस्ट छुपा हुआ है, बट मैंने इमीडिएटली वो एक्शन नहीं लिया.
ओके.
इमीडिएट एक्शन कुड टेक रॉन्ग एज वेल. सो इमीडिएटली आप स्विच ना करें, पैरेलली बिल्ड समथिंग, build some credibility in the market, और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में आप पार्टिसिपेट करें, सो दैट आप समझ पाएं कि आप सच में करना क्या चाहते हैं लाइफ में. सो स्टडीज तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपनी जगह पे, और पैरेलली कुछ नया सीखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डोंट जंप टू द पूल until and unless you learn to swim.
You learn how to swim. Very true, very true.
So that's how. So सभी करियर्स में अप्स एंड डाउन्स हैं. सभी करियर्स में एक टीम होती है जो आपके साथ चलती है. अकेला जन कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
Right.
So म्यूजिक में भी यही है. आई एम द फेस ऑफ द बैंड, बट देयर इज अ whole lot of people who are working with me,
correct,
day in and day out, to make that one event happen.
So true.
To make it a success. So lots of musicians, lots of sound engineers, background graphic designers, we work relentlessly to make that one day special for that corporate or that parent who are putting up a grand stage for their sons and daughters' marriage.
Awesome. And the role of social media, obviously, in reaching out, you spoke about जो आपने tennis league के लिए किया.
Yes.
So they heard you on some
Social
platform. So how do you see the role of social media having grown, having evolved?
Yes.
And any student who's thinking of getting into a career where social media can be important,
Yes.
any practical advice or any tips for them?
Yes, social media, needless to say, is very important today. So be it YouTube, be it reels on Instagram, but अपने साउंड को पहचानना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Okay.
So these are all tools सबके पास में हैं, बट खुद को पहचानना, खुद की आवाज़ को सुनना, खुद के साउंड को पहचानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू बी रियल. लोग उसी को याद करते हैं जो दिल से गाता है या दिल तक पहुंचता है. तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ सिंगर इन द वर्ल्ड, बट अरिजीत सिंह इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज वो दिल से गाते हैं और दिल तक पहुंचते हैं.
Sorry, I just want to repeat one thing you just said, and अगर मैं थोड़ा गलत बोल गया, correct me. You said tools तो सबके पास हैं, बट वो टूल्स का फायदा सही उठाना,
बिल्कुल,
उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करना, दैट इज समथिंग दैट कम्स फ्रॉम अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ.
डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज आप अब देखते होंगे कि आजकल यंगस्टर्स बहुत ज्यादा समय वेस्ट करते हैं स्क्रोलिंग पे. तो ये सब जगह है. पेरेंट्स आर फेड अप विद देयर किड्स सीइंग कंटिन्यूअसली रील्स एंड रील्स. करेक्ट. बट सम पीपल आर देयर हु आर डूइंग पॉडकास्ट लाइक यू, डूइंग इट द राइट वे. लोगों के लिए कुछ अच्छा कंटेंट लेके आना, समझना मार्केट को, और सोशल मीडिया का सही तरीके से फ़ायदा उठाना. तो वी आर यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया टू रीच न्यू पीपल,
राइट,
हु आर लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड कंटेंट, good music, and some inspiration as well.
Lovely. So again, I think it goes back to जो आपने सबसे पहले बात की It's about understanding the audience, research करना है, plan करना है.
बिल्कुल
It just doesn't happen overnight.
बिल्कुल
You know, there's that एक कहावत that fortune favors the brave.
जी
And जैसे आपने कहा, you know, the universe is watching you.
बिल्कुल
So as a student, it's important कि मैं अपनी मेहनत करते रहूं.
जी
I stay true to what I'm doing,
yes
and opportunities
opportunities will hit but you have to be prepared to take up that opportunity
absolutely that
because हाँ आपका ग्राउंड वर्क आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत मैटर करती है आपकी सक्सेस रेट को बढ़ाने में
so true. So one other thing, now when we think of a singer or some of these creative fields, हम सबके दिमाग में दे मे बी जस्ट वन इम्प्रेशन. सिंगर मतलब वो जी प्लेबैक सिंगिंग में ही पैसा है. यू मेंशन्ड अरिजीत सिंह.
जी
But couple of times in this conversation, you've already spoken of corporates, you've spoken of wedding.
yes
So give us a little more insight that
Yes.
as a artist, as a performer,
yes
what are the kind of shows, events that you get the opportunity to do?
so I would say Adhyot wasn't just built in a day.
Very true.
It was building every day. So we performed for cafe shows, we performed in weddings, we performed in anniversary events, big corporate events, and I would really mention that we have performed for major of the corporates of India till now.
Lovely.
In 2000 plus events till date, and in
Wow.
7 plus countries till now. And that consistency gave me 5.5 million views on my YouTube channel till date.
Wow.
And the global listener touched 7 crores as of now. So my 2026 goal of the global listeners community would be 10 crores.
Awesome.
So apart from singing in sitting in a studio, we perform across the country for corporate events, wedding events, and we make jingles as well. And
You mentioned that, yes.
Yes, jingle is also a portfolio that comes under the purview of music. So there are many parallel lines that you could pursue to earn and to make your livelihood through music. So every career has ups and downs. So मैं कुछ पेरेंट्स मुझसे पूछते हैं कि इज इट अ सेफ करियर.
Correct.
मैंने कहा जो सेफ करियर है ना वो भी सेफ नहीं है अगर आपका दिल उसमें नहीं है.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
The safe career, the safe notion is the hard point. So वो very it is very risky. The safest careers are very risky अगर आपका दिल ही उसमें
दिल ही
लगता
नहीं है.
तो मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि if you love what you do, there is no one in the world can stop you.
And I think when you shared the different type of stages, events where you've honed your art and you do it, that in itself proves that यार
There is no limit.
look for the opportunities. Don't wait कि नहीं भाई साहब मैं तो यही करूंगा. You can't be rigid.
Definitely.
You have to be flexible. You
have to be
mentioned about learning throughout, lifelong learning.
Yes.
These are aspects as counselors at Mindscan we always talk about.
You continuously grow, you continuously adapt, you continuously improve on your skills. You learn from the
Absolutely.
people, you learn from your listeners. So we say कि हम जगजीत सिंह से अरिजीत सिंह तक सब गाते हैं. So this is the kind of portfolio we cater to our audience.
Right.
So this shows the confidence in this artist and in his craft. So वो resonate करती है उसके audience से. So फिर audience आपको दिल से अपना बना लेती है.
और आपने अभी कहा you said about safe careers. That was also a question I wanted to ask you. कि पेरेंट्स घबराते हैं.
जी.
So call it advice या maybe something from your own journey.
जी.
So for a parent who's listening to this podcast and वो भी अपने बच्चे में हुनर देखते हैं, could be singing, could be designing,
जी.
could be as an artist, the non-traditional career,
Non-traditional.
what would you say to them so that they feel more confident of letting their son or daughter pursue that path?
So मैं सभी पेरेंट्स को बताना चाहूँगा कि मेरी भी एक डॉटर है, उसको मैं इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक सिखा रहा हूँ.
Lovely.
सो स्टडीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट आपके सन एंड डॉटर में एक आर्टिस्ट ज़रूर छुपा हुआ
जरूर है.
और वो तब तक बाहर नहीं आएगा जब तक आप उसे मोटिवेट नहीं करेंगे, उसे बैकअप नहीं देंगे और उसे हौसला नहीं देंगे. तो जो परिंदों की उड़ान होती है वो हौसलों से होती है. तो मैं हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ पेरेंट्स को कि डॉक्टर बनेगा बहुत अच्छी बात है, इंजीनियर बनेगा बहुत अच्छी बात है. व्हाट इफ he become a fantastic painter, world renowned painter, or a photographer
Correct.
who travels the whole world.
Correct.
and live his dream.
Correct.
So when you live your dream, you live to the 100% of your happiness. So that happiness quotient is very important in every child. Every child deserve to pursue what he loves the most. It could be risky, but risk नहीं तो आगे career भी नहीं है. So
No, correct. Absolutely. And I just want to, if I could, Vishal, आपके behalf पे एक disclaimer that risk is there in everything. There are
Everything.
people who lose their jobs in the so-called safe
world,
जो आपने कहा.
safe corporate world.
And I know you from some years. Touch wood, you are successful at your job, but I'm sure there are singers who are also struggling.
Yes.
And that's where I want to pick up the point that you said कि मेहनत करना है, दिल से करना है.
बिल्कुल.
Guarantee कहीं भी नहीं है.
Guarantee कहीं पे भी.
But you have to keep on at it, and things
Yes.
have a habit of falling in place.
So मैं जितने भी बडिंग आर्टिस्ट हैं जो लोग नॉन ट्रेडिशनल करियर्स को फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, उनको यही एक एडवाइस देना चाहूँगा कि कंसिस्टेंसी सबसे बड़ी है. तो आप
True.
जो भी कर रहे हैं उसमें कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे तो रिजल्ट वुड ऑटोमेटिकली कम.
Very true. And consistency is one of my favorite words because very often we see in youngsters intensity बहुत है. They'll do something and then it just dies down.
Yes, dies
But
down.
consistently करना,
उसको रिपीटेडली करना, अपने कंटेंट को, उसको दिल से जीना, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो मोटिवेशनल एक दिन का हो तो वो काम नहीं करेगा.
True.
मोटिवेशनल इनर मोटिवेशनल, आपको अगर लोगों से मोटिवेशन मिल रहा है तो वो 1-2 दिन के लिए होगा.
Correct.
किसी रील को देख के मोटिवेशन मिल रहा है तो 1-2 दिन के लिए होगा, बट आपका सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आपको लॉन्ग टर्म सस्टेनेबिलिटी देगा और जीतने में हेल्प करेगा.
So I want to now, maybe there are two questions in one, Vishal. Any youngster who feels that they can be an artist of any type, singer, painter,
Yes.
anything. But वो ये शायद opportunity नहीं है या घर पे वो माहौल नहीं है.
जी.
As a practical step, एक दो चीजें which you feel you can share कि यार ये करो तो मे बी तुम्हारा हौसला आस्ते आस्ते बढ़ेगा और you'll understand whether it's just a hobby, is it a passing phase, or so is there something like that you can share?
सो बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट मुझे मिलते हैं, दे ऑलवेज से कि सही समय आएगा तब करेंगे. तो मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि सही समय कभी नहीं आता.
करेक्ट.
अगर आप कल का वेट करेंगे तो कल भी वेट ही करेंगे.
कल भी वेट ही करेंगे.
डोंट वेट फॉर द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी. राइट दैट सॉन्ग यू आर प्लानिंग टू राइट लास्ट ईयर. Sing that song, record that song today, and hit the ground and go into that audition. You are waiting for the right time. Somebody would call you for that audition. No, nobody is going to call you for that opportunity. If you want to participate in a debate, go prepare yourself and hit the ground. So you have to be there. Just be there and hit the ground. Don't wait for the right opportunities for there to come.
Yeah, there's nothing called a right opportunity. Opportunity आपको create करनी है.
Opportunities are right because times have changed. Social media is at its boom. It's at its peak. Opportunities are ample. So there are lots of different paths which you could choose. And ट्रेडिशनल टाइम में इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं थी, इंटरनेट का इतना वो नहीं था. सोशल मीडिया वॉज नॉट इन टू द रोल. अभी सोशल मीडिया इज वेरी पावरफुल. आजकल लोग वायरल क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज दे हैव लिसनर्स. पहले लिसनर्स ही नहीं थे.
करेक्ट.
लोगों के पास मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं थे. आजकल लिसनर बेस है. अगर आपका कंटेंट अच्छा है, आप दिल से कुछ कर रहे हैं, कंसिस्टेंटली कर रहे हैं, तो वो लोगों तक बहुत बहुत जल्दी पहुंचेगा. यू हैव टू बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट इन योर पाथ.
Awesome, Vishal. Thank you so much for sharing that, and I'd like to end on that note. Opportunity is there. Don't wait for the opportunity. Social media of any channel you pick up, वो allow करता है कि आप लोगों तक पहुंच सको. Whether it's painting, whether it's embroidery. We had a student who's studying for architecture.
Yes.
And he used to build things with his hand, bamboo and all. And I remember, that was part of his portfolio when you applied for his college applications. So yes, there are these avenues are there. Your advice to budding artists, to youngsters is grab that opportunity. Don't wait for it.
Yes.
And consistency
is very important. तो मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि बैकग्राउंड वर्क हमेशा करते रहो, साइलेंटली.
Silently.
लोग आपको बोलेंगे क्यों खामोश हो गए, तो उनको यही बोलना, परिंदों को मिलेगी मंजिल यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वो लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Awesome. Vishal, it's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank
But
you
I'm
so much.
not going to let you go without picking up this guitar. You were sharing that you have.
So it's a love song. I'm really honored to share this song for the first time at this platform in front of you.
Awesome, Vishal. It'll be a pleasure to hear that.
सुन ले वो दिल जो ना कह सका, क्यों तेरे बिन एक पल ना रह सका, एक पल की जुदाई भी सही जाए ना, लफ्जों में कहानी ये कही जाए ना, दूरी दो पल की दिल क्यों ना सह सका, क्यों तेरे बिन एक पल ना रह सका, सुन ले वो दिल जो ना कह सका, क्यों तेरे बिन एक पल ना रह सका.
Lovely, 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 lovely. Thank you so much, Vishal. And on that note, I really want to thank you from my side and from behalf of the whole team at Mindscan to take this time to help youngsters understand that there is a career. Obviously, there are certain building blocks to that career.
Definitely.
And how to ensure or how to go about doing it. Lage raho, consistency, hard work never fails. Thank you so much, Vishal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Vishal, thank you for sharing your transformative journey. From that pivotal PepsiCo moment of right person, wrong place to founding Adyot Band, 2000 plus performances across Asia, and that viral Sonali Bendre jingle. Your story proves one conversation, one risk, and one commitment to purpose can rewrite your entire future. Vishal's life shows skills transfer and passion pays off. Follow Vishal and Adyot Band on YouTube, connect via LinkedIn, and let his journey inspire your own pivot. Thank you for listening to the Career Mosaic. Subscribe, share this episode, and join us next time for more stories that challenge conventional wisdom. Until then, listen for your own right person, wrong place moment, and have the courage to move.